What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got an exciting one because we're gonna be talking about the brand new Toyota Tundra, soon to be brand new Toyota Tundra. Yeah, that's what we're talking about here today, because there's a lot of speculation all over the interwebs. A lot of people are telling you when they're coming out, how they're coming out, what kind of tires they have, how many seats they have, all this other BS that I don't believe until I see it. So with that being said, today we're talking about what weird things, I call them weird because if they were normal they would already be in the truck, but to Toyota they're weird things that the next generation Tundra needs for you and I to go out and purchase it. Right now I'm driving a 2020 Toyota Tacoma TRD Sport 4x4 lifted on 285s. Now I love this truck, it's a beautiful truck, but if you don't know me, my dream truck is a Tundra. Now with the next generation Tundra coming out with the turbo V6, I don't know, maybe I should just get a V8 and call it a day. But if this next Tundra has more horsepower, more torque, better features, why not? And I'm gonna list a lot of the things that I think they need to have in this truck for me personally to at least enjoy that truck. So with all that being said, you already know what we gotta do. Like, comment, and subscribe before we get into the video. So now that your beautiful face liked, commented, and subscribed, I appreciate it. Let's talk about some weird things that the Toyota needs to put in this next Tundra. Starting with the number one thing. When I last sold at Toyota, they only had auto up and down for the driver's side window. Now that's some butt cheeks. When you're paying like $60,000 for a TRD Pro, you maybe want to have all automatics. Now this one does not. This only has front right and front left, or other way around. In this next generation Tundra, brothers, Toyota, listen to me, please. Can we have automatic all the way around? The TRD Pro 4Runners have it. Come on, buddy, what are you doing? We need to have that. If it was normal, it would be in the truck, but could it be a weird thing that you add to your truck, please? So this isn't going to be in any specific order, kind of just how I'm going with the flow of things. Now I actually recently just got this detailed, and this kind of has to do, oh god, kind of has something to do with what I'm about to show you guys, but maybe not. So the other day I just got it detailed, and I don't know if you guys can tell right there, a bird from above. Well, he did his business while I was driving. Now, Aing, what do you have us staring at the roof of your truck for? A lot of Tundras, a lot of trucks have that main sunroof, right? Now, stepping into the new Tundra, we can't be basic, okay, Toyota? I'm talking double sunroof. I think it turns into a moonroof, or I don't know what it's called. I want two sunroofs, two pieces of glass in the top of my truck so that I can actually look out the front one, and if I ever get tired, sit my seat all the way back and stare out the top one. I don't know, call me crazy. I don't know how many other trucks actually have that, but it would be really cool for Toyota to implement that in the truck because, well, 2022, buddy, come on. We gotta do something cool. We gotta stay snazzy. We gotta keep looking fancy. Now, this one was coming. If you know me, you know I bring this up as much as I can. I admit where I was pointing at and what I was doing doesn't help, but you know what I'm talking about. The all black interior. There's so many interiors on the Tundra that just look absolutely garbage, but it's not because it's the interior's fault. No, interior, you're beautiful. Also, this is a Tacoma, but we're role playing here, okay? When the lining and the pillars are this ugly, horrendous gray, it just throws off the whole truck. They need to learn from the Tacoma to put black headliner in, black pillars, black seatbelts. I promise you, it will look so sick, okay? In a black platinum Tundra with black headliner, it would seal the deal. Best truck on the market, hands down. Now that's one of the weirdest things, but I really want to see that in the next Tundra. Now, I don't really know what direction Toyota is taking with this next truck. I don't know if they're gonna just try to appeal as a work truck, if they're gonna try to be a luxurious truck, or if they're gonna be an off-roady type of truck. But if they do go the off-road route, they need to, at least in their off-road models or in their TRD Pro, at least Toyota, offer a locking differential. I get it, front, maybe not, but rear, please, maybe. In the full-size pickup scene, Ram and Ford really stepped it up this year, and I'd hate to see Chevy or GMC take the crown over Toyota. As a Toyota fanboy, I can't see Toyota go down that way because the TRD Pro Tundra is no different than an SR5 Tundra. That's why Tundra Dude 34 even made his Tundra Platinum into a TRD Pro. All right, last but not least, this one came to mind because of a fellow YouTuber, the anti-chromist Rob Motive himself. They need to make a version of the Tundra that comes with no chrome, and I mean no chrome. I don't want to see the front bumper, I don't want to see the rear bumper, I don't want to see the door handles, I don't want to see the mirror caps. I'm talking no chrome, just blacked out, or at least give us the option. Now they gave us the option to black out the Tacoma badge, the 4x4, and the V6. Cool, I appreciate that, Toyota. The Tundra, you kind of struggle with that a little bit. So I'm really excited to see what this next Tundra brings. I hope you're also excited. And if you are, please leave a comment down below what different weird things you want to see from the Toyota Tundra. I hope that they hear me on at least a few of these, but you know, we'll take what we can get, I guess. If you guys are interested in seeing me actually get one of those, I would obviously get the first one that came out and probably miss out on the hybrid, because supposedly the wizards are saying that the hybrids and the TRD Pros wouldn't come out till later, so I'd get a basic model, kind of go from there. Let me know what you guys think. Also, did you guys see the, did you guys see this? I don't know. What do you guys think? Aing. I was thinking about a name for my subscribers, and Aing, like the Aing, the amazing gang, kind of came into my mind. Also, be amazing on the side. I don't know. I really like it. Let me know what you guys think. But other than that, it's been your boy. I'm out of like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Single to malo. Peace.